Welcome back to Mo's Learning Moments. And today we're going to do part 3 of phonics. Phonics means the sounds of the letters. Are you ready? This sound is called mmm. Mmm. Watch me trace it. Down, up, around, down, up and around. Now I'm going to trace it in the salt. Down, up and around, down, up and around. Mmm. This sound is called mmm. Can you say it? That's right. Mmm. Watch how I trace it. Down, up, around and down. This is mmm. Now I'm going to trace it in the salt. Down, up, around and down. This is mmm. The next sound today we're going to do is ah. Ah. Let's trace it around. Ah. Now we're going to trace ah in the salt. Around. Ah. This sound is called puh. Puh. Can you say that? That's correct. Let's trace it now. Down, up and around. Puh. I'm going to trace puh now in the salt. Watch. Down, up and around. Puh. This sound is called quip. Quip. Around, up, down and flick. Now I'm going to trace quip in my salt. Around, up, down and flick. Quip. And this is The name of the sound is Watch me trace it. Down, up and around. And now I'm going to trace in the salt. Down, up and around. Now we're going to put the correct sounds with the correct objects on the table. Would you like me to show you what I found in my classroom? A magnet. And here we have a nest and an owl and a pig and a queen and a rocket. Now I'm going to pick up the first sound and which objects on the table begins with this sound. Ah. Look around. I hear ah when I say owl. So is for owl. What object on the table begins with quip? Which object? Look around. Quip. Quip is for queen. Can you hear quip when I say queen? Yes. What object on the table begins with puh? Puh. Puh. Pig. Puh is for pig. Can you hear that? Puh, puh, pig. Which object begins with Nest. Is for nest. Which object begins with is for magnet. This is Which object begins with is for rocket. Can you hear rocket? Today we worked with ah, puh, quip, and er. Maybe you could find some sounds in your house and go and match some objects. Thank you for watching Mo's Learning Moments today. See you next time. Bye.